Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Michelle. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Please excuse my face and my lack of sleep. But I wanted to show you guys this awesome wig that I am showcasing. It is 20 inches long. It is very long and she's very shiny and I'm very excited about it. I wanted to show you that she came pre-plucked. The knots came pre-bleached and she also has this really very stretchy elastic band. It's actually removable. So I'm flipping the cap inside out so you can see the construction. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on this time. Usually I take it off. My lace color came in light brown, but I went ahead and I used some wig tint spray and I tinted my lace a little bit more bronze. So I am gonna go ahead and adhere my lace. I'm cutting my lace in a way that will make actually putting the wig glue or wig gel or whatever adhesive you're going to use, it makes it a little bit more precise. So I don't have to worry about hairs getting in my way. I can pull the front of the wig down and secure it, and I don't have to worry about it pulling back. I can't remember where I saw this technique, but I found it on IG and I was like, oh, I gotta try that out, and I love it. So I'm probably going to be adhering my wigs this way from here on out. Another thing about this technique is that once the wig glue or the gel or whatever you use to adhere your wigs dries, it makes cutting the lace so much easier and you can get so much more close, which means your hairline can be that much more customizable. So now I'm going in with some powder. I'm going to go ahead and hit those shiny spots and then I'm going to pluck out a part. So I don't know if it's just me or the weather, or maybe I'm not drinking enough water, but my skin has been trash. It's been so dry. So I'm going in with some St. Jane Luxury Beauty Serum on top of it, adding moisture and a whole lot of botanicals to my skin. It actually has like 500 milligrams of CBD oil, which I'm a fan of. I love CBD oil. If you don't know about it, you should definitely read up about it. It is really great for moods, anxiety, sleep. Definitely check it out. Google it. It's awesome stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna list all the products in the description box below, but these are my same old products that I use every time. My ABH Definer Brow Pencil and some Benefit Shaping Gel. I'm using this bright orangey color as my transition before I go in with a little brown. I'm actually going to use some Cut Crease Concealer by Makeup Revolution before I go in with this mustard yellow color. I'm going to put that on the inner and outer corners of my eyes because I'm going to be using pressed glitter. I don't recommend using glitter because I know that it is actually an eye irritant and the plastic can get in your eyes and it can do all types of terrible things. So if you would like to recreate this look yourself, by all means omit the glitter if you don't want to use it. But I like shiny things, so I'm using glitter today. I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. Then I'm going to use some IT Cosmetics mascara. And I'm using this olive eye pencil that I got from Sephora to line my lower lash line. And then I'm going to apply these falsies. Before I add my foundation, and just to add that much more hydration, I'm going to go ahead and use some primer by Fasali before I apply my foundation, which I'm using Kampala and Juvia's Place I Am Magic. And then I'm going to be using my Kevin Aqua concealer. I think that's how you say it. I should know by now, right? And then after that, I'm using some setting powder before I go in with some bronzer. I'm using this orangey blush right on the apples of my cheeks, and then I am going to be going in with Trophy Wife because it is also kind of a greenish, yellowish, golden color. So I'm sweeping that on my cheekbones, and I'm going to add that also to my nose and my Cupid's bow off camera. I'm using Suede Lip Liner by NYX before I go in with some Fenty Gloss Bomb. On top of that, I am using NYX in London. Then I'm using an Ofra liquid lipstick. And that completes this look. I'm gonna go ahead and seal it in with some Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. I decided I was gonna go ahead and add some curls to see if it actually would hold the curl. Even though this hair is lightweight, it does have some weight to it. I know that doesn't make any sense at all. But anyway, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the hair. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I will try to answer them as best I can in the comment section. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. Talk to you later.